Are you looking for the best wall-mounted desk in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wall-mounted desk. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tangkula wall-mounted drop leaf table. Simple, folding, and elegant. What else can you ask from a wall-mounted desk? Tangkula floating computer desk is a perfect workspace for a narrow room. This drop leaf table is made of environmentally friendly and durable material. The floating desk will fit almost anywhere and can be used for various purposes. For example, it can be a plant stand on the balcony, a snack kitchen table, a toiletries storage table, a laptop desk, a kid's study desk, you name it. The one thing you need to remember, though, is that this product isn't waterproof. The surface might bubble up if you leave something wet on it for a while. Moving on at number 4. We have the ZIOTHUM industrial iron pipe laptop desk. If you're looking for an unusual wall-mounted computer desk or bookshelf, you might fall in love with this one. ZIOTHUM vintage wall ladder bookshelf can store your books and serve you as a laptop desk simultaneously. This industrial floating laptop desk combines modern furniture trends with vintage traditionalism. Its rustic-looking design can be an excellent add-on to your living room, bedroom, or home office. Plus, you can quickly move it from one spot to another if, at some point, you strive for a change. The one minor drawback is that you'd need to mount this desk on both the wall and floor for a stable working and learning environment. At number 3, we have the Prepac Kurv white floating desk. The Kurv floating desk has lovely, soft contours and is perfect if you don't have enough floor space for a regular desk or need something not too big to work or study from home. You can hang it directly on the wall at any height you want, making it super convenient. This wall-mounted desk has enough shelves and side compartments to fit books, documents, decorations, or other things you like to keep handy. Plus, you can remove some of the shelves to accommodate taller objects. The only complaint is that some buyers didn't receive the instruction book with the purchase. However, if it happens to you, the support can resolve this issue pretty quickly. At number 2, we have the HOMCOM compact fold-out wall-mounted desk with storage. If you are looking for a versatile wall-mounted desk, the one by HOMCOM is a perfect solution. It comes in an espresso brown color, which makes it easy to incorporate in your home, especially if your other furniture is in the same tone. The modern design and clean lines make it a perfect desk. We say versatile because it is a compact fold-out floating desk. When folded in, the desk looks like an ordinary cabinet. But when you unfold it, you get the desk and a storage unit on top. The storage is not huge, but it's more than enough to keep your everyday office accessories. The shelves are adjustable so that you can customize the storage however you want and adapt it for your personal needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Haotian drop leaf table desk. This beautiful wall-mounted desk arrives from the renowned manufacturer Haotian. It's a modern design that fits a variety of different room styles. One of its best features is the amount of storage and organization included. It comes with shelves and drawers to help you store books, office supplies, plants and decorations, and generally organize your workspace while keeping it clutter-free. It has top and side shelves and even drawers underneath. This floating desk also has holes for cords, but do note that the plastic inserts have a reputation for breaking. Overall, it's perfectly suited for a small home office or work table for children. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.